Welcome to the Cow Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic of this video is the STL-Array collection class. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. C++11 introduced a STL-Array collection class, which is a templated class named array. A STL-Array is like a vector, except that a STL-Array has a fixed size. That fixed size is specified when you define your variable as a template parameters value. Some STL-Array functions are the same as vector functions. These include constructing a new STL-Array by default construction, initialization from a literal, or copy construction. You can query how many items are in a STL-Array and whether that size is 0. You can compare two STL-Arrays using equality and inequality operators. A STL-Array allows random access to its items using either an array indexing operator or the at function. The array indexing operator causes a runtime error if the index is out of range, whereas the at function would throw an exception. The first and last items can be accessed using their special names front and back. For all of these indexing actions, a reference is returned. The data function is just another way of programming an expression for the address of the first item. You can use the assignment operator to assign a STL-Array from another STL-Array. When initializing a STL-Array from a literal value, any unspecified items do get initialized. They get initialized to 0. The equality operator may only be used between two STL-Arrays that have the same size. A STL-Array cannot have any items removed nor any items inserted, not in the way that a vector's items could be. This restriction is because the STL-Array size is not allowed to change. Recall that vectors had an assign function, which was used to make all of its items have the same value. An STL-Array accomplishes that same thing with this fill function.